Hi, my name is Cassidy Sekula. I'm with the Office of Records Management in Sussex County. We prepared this tutorial to demonstrate how you can use our map-based parcel document viewer to retrieve a wide range of information about any of the over 72,000 parcels located within the county. This is just one of the ways that Sussex County is working to make government records easily accessible for the public and all constituents. We are always looking for ways to improve these resources, so your comments are greatly appreciated. To get started using the Parcel Document Viewer, you will want to go to the county's main webpage at sussex.nj.us. You'll see a big search bar on the home screen, which is the best way to navigate the website. Enter Maps into the search bar. This will take you to a list of information resources. Select GIS Management. A page will open with a selection of 9 GIS applications. You can use the arrows below the first group to explore additional content. But today we want to focus on the icon titled Parcel Doc Viewer. It should be the icon in the middle of the top row. Once the application opens, be sure to bookmark the link. When the application opens, you will see a map of Sussex County. You will also notice several function icons, which I am going to demonstrate. Let's start in the upper right corner. Click on the 4 squares. This will open a list of base maps. This is where you can apply imagery, topographic, or other styles of base maps, depending on your preference. Next, select the icon to the left of the base map gallery. A list of layers will open. Each of these layers provides a new set of data that will be added to the map. For instance, click on the checkbox for the FEMA Flood Zone 2011. You will see the flood zone areas appear on the map in blue. Keep in mind that data will only be added to the map if there's a check mark in the box next to a given layer. Click any highlighted area to see further information. If you would like to minimize the layers window, click the double arrows above the list. To navigate the map, left-click, hold, and move the mouse around. To zoom in or out, you can either operate your scroll wheel or use the plus and minus icons in the top left corner. But another useful zoom tool is to hold down the shift key while you drag your mouse to create a box on the map. When you let go, the map will zoom to the area that you've selected. At any time, if you want to return to the full view of the county, just click on the house icon in the upper left corner. You can search for a specific location in one of 2 ways, by address or by parcel number. If you would like to search by address, enter the street address in the search bar at the upper left. Let's try 201 Wheatsworth Road. As you type information, options will appear below the search box. Once you make a selection, either by clicking on the magnifying glass or hitting return, the map will zoom to this location. Going back to the full view of the county, we can now try finding a location by its parcel number. The parcel ID consists of the municipal code, followed by a dash, then block, another dash, and then the lot number. Let's try municipal code 1911 dash block 62 dash lot 34.09. This again takes us to the same location on Wheatsworth Road. When you complete your search and zoom to the parcel location, you'll see a pop-up box containing publicly available property information. This information is provided and maintained by individual municipalities. In addition to the property information that's shown in the parcel pop-up box, you can also access documents that are related to the identified parcel. To retrieve documents, select the round on-base icon at the top left of the map. When the dialog box opens, select the green plus cursor icon. The default function will be to draw a rectangle. Drag and release your cursor. Any parcel that touches the rectangle will be included in the document search. All of the parcels that are selected will be highlighted in blue. The available documents include well and septic, site plans, and the municipal tax map page where the parcel is located. To view a document, click on the pop-out icon located next to it. A new window will open to display the document. From this window, you will be able to print it or download it to your computer. You can also refine your document search to include or exclude parcels from your original selection. Click on the red minus selection icon. Now, draw a box on the map that touches the parcels you want to remove from your selection. They will no longer be highlighted in blue, and any of their related documents will be removed from the list. If you want to eliminate a single parcel, draw the box within the boundary of that single parcel. If you want to add more parcels to the search, click on the green selection icon again and start selecting more parcels. Please note that the document search tool remains active even if you close the document list box. When you're done with your search or you want to start over, click on the clear selected features icon. Also, please be aware that the graphics for the parcel boundaries will not appear until you zoom in a little bit closer. So if you don't see them, keep zooming in until they appear. I appreciate you taking the time to view our tutorial on the Parcel Document Viewer. We hope you will find this to be a valuable resource. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact us here. Thanks again on behalf of the Records Management team.